So what does day of Ops Squad look like?
So the day of Ops Squad, it's a full day event. In the beginning half of the day, we focus on private offer operations, and we really dive into best practices with our partners of anywhere from, creating that private offer to accepting it. And then we dive into more of the larger business aspect of it, right? So we go into how to best co-sell on Marketplace, characteristics of a successful seller. And then in the afternoon, we have our product teams come in and we are able to give feedback directly to them. But ultimately, it's an opportunity for people to collaborate together and share best practices and wins within Marketplace.
Yeah, I think one of the other really cool things is some of our execs at AWS will show up as well. It's a really cool opportunity to get that engagement and have direct access one-on-one. So one of the things that you and your team have quietly been working on building this year is this concept of a revenue operations squad.
Yeah, so Rev Ops Squad, short for Revenue Operations. This is an exclusive event that covers everything post private offer creation and acceptance. So we cover how to effectively manage disbursement timelines, manage cash flow, cash applications, and increase visibility into that open AR.
What's been kind of your favorite thing being a part of it?
The people. It's plain and simple. It's the people.
We work hard all day, networking, collaborating, but we like to take everybody off-site to do something super fun like bowling or a happy hour.
What is your favorite aspect of Ops Squad?
Hearing what the partners are bringing to the event, where their challenges are, and really taking all of that as information that we can use.
I love being able to partner with ISVs in person. It's a great opportunity to have face-to-face interaction, but also kind of fostering that environment where ISVs can collaborate together and learn from each other.
So what's been your favorite part about Ops Squad?
Community and community building. I think not only do our sellers, of course, learn so much from us during our sessions, but we learn so much from them, and they learn so much from each other.
Yeah, so for me, I would definitely say it's the collaboration. It's watching the collaboration play out. It's a lot of fun to watch the light bulbs go off in the room and to see folks talking across the table and being like, oh, I can take that and I can run with it.
What advice would you give to somebody attending Ops Squad for the first time?
Be vocal. Be ready to speak up, collaborate, and engage, and I think you'll get a ton out of it if you do that.
Talk to your teams. What challenges are they facing that you might be able to get answers for at this event? You've got your own point of view, but if you talk to your other teams, they might have other opinions.
There's always somebody at Ops Squad that is one step ahead of you or one step behind you. So there's a lot of opportunity to both share and learn.
So what's your favorite feature that's recently kind of dropped?
Our seller reporting and our insights dashboard. It's so much more convenient for our sellers to apply cash, manage their open receivables, and really track their business on AWS Marketplace.
I would say installment plans. It allows ISVs to choose the dates in which they invoice, set a schedule in which they want to invoice buyers, and it just gives them a ton of ability to customize within the private offers experience.
So what is your favorite Marketplace feature?
I'd say one of my favorites more recently has been future dated agreements. So both operationally and on the seller's side of the field, we're not having to run around last minute, the end of the year when it's Christmas, and say, hey, where's this deal? Is it done? And everyone's freaking out, everyone's hair is on fire. It's been really powerful to watch. We've seen some partners actually implement that at scale, and they've seen their renewal rate go up as a result.
I'm gonna go drafts. I think saving as drafts is huge for our partners. Now folks don't have to complete the private offer creation in one step. They can save and walk away when they have all of the information. So drafts is gonna be the one for me.
Game changer. I love it.
Game changer.